Welcome to part 2 of your ScoutBall AI how-to guide, your complete command center for youth baseball and softball team management, player evaluation, and analytics. In part 1, we covered team setup and the draft board process from initial evaluation through final roster selection. Today we'll explore the advanced AI analytics that transform how you manage your team's performance and development throughout the season. These comprehensive tools handle the time-consuming data analysis so you can focus on what matters most: coaching players, developing skills, and building winning teams. Let's walk through each section step by step to maximize your team's potential. After completing your draft and importing GameChanger statistics, you're ready to access the AI analytics features. There are 2 ways to reach these tools. The first method is through the Teams section. Navigate to Teams, locate your team in the table, and click the green Analytics button next to Team Rosters. The second method is directly through the AI Team Analytics tab. Premium subscribers have full access to all analytics and AI features through either entry point. Both paths lead to the same comprehensive analytics dashboard, so choose the method that fits your current navigation preferences and coaching workflow. Team-level analytics. Begin by accessing the Overview section, which serves as your analytics home base. This displays your team composition, offensive metrics, and defensive metrics in a centralized, easy-to-read dashboard format. The overview provides at-a-glance insights into your team's overall performance trends, showing key statistics that help you understand your team's strengths and areas needing improvement. Click Generate Statistical Analysis to access comprehensive data, including detailed batting statistics, batted ball metrics, pitching performance data, and defensive analytics. This comprehensive analysis processes all your imported game data automatically. The interface includes advanced metrics that go beyond basic statistics, predictive models that help forecast performance trends, and physical attributes analysis. Navigate through different sections using the color-coded system to quickly find specific data points relevant to your analysis needs. Lineup Optimizer. Navigate to the Offense section to access the Lineup Optimizer, a sophisticated tool that revolutionizes how you create batting orders. This system uses advanced sabermetrics methodologies and proprietary algorithms to create optimal lineups for maximum run production. The system offers 4 distinct strategic approaches designed for different game situations and team strengths. The balanced approach optimizes for overall production across all offensive categories. Power hitting focuses on maximizing extra base hits and RBI opportunities. The on-base percentage approach prioritizes getting runners on base consistently, while the speed and base running strategy emphasizes aggressive offensive tactics and stolen base opportunities. Start by selecting your team from the drop-down menu. If you coach multiple teams, ensure you've selected the correct team before proceeding with lineup optimization. Configure your game parameters carefully, as these settings significantly impact the optimization results. Set the number of players in your lineup. We'll use 9 players for this example. Select 6 innings for game length, which is standard for many youth leagues. Toggle on select pitchers to include pitchers in your lineup. Review your complete player list and uncheck any players who won't be available for the game due to illness, family commitments, or other circumstances. This ensures your lineup only includes players who will actually participate in the game. Choose your preferred strategic approach based on your team's current strengths, opponent analysis, and specific game situation. Then click Generate Lineup to begin the optimization process. The system analyzes thousands of possible batting order combinations, considering each player's statistical performance, situational hitting ability, and optimal positioning for run production. This comprehensive analysis creates the statistically optimal batting order designed for maximum offensive output. Choose between the 4 sabermetrics-based lineup approaches. Access AI analysis of the lineup, the why, to understand the strategic reasoning behind each batting position. Click on the Why button to view comprehensive justification for your lineup construction. This analysis examines the specific lineup you just created, whether it's the power lineup, balanced approach, or any other strategic configuration you selected. The system provides detailed explanations for each player's position in the batting order. The AI generates statistical justifications for each of the players in your lineup, showing exactly why each player was placed in their specific batting position based on their performance data and strategic value. Access strategic lineup alternatives at the bottom of the analysis. These show different players who could potentially fill similar roles or alternative positioning that might work based on different strategic priorities. This comprehensive analysis gives you the data-driven reasoning to explain lineup decisions to players, parents, or coaching staff, while also identifying development opportunities for individual players within your strategic framework. After generating your optimized lineup, use the on-the-fly lineup builder to make strategic adjustments based on current circumstances. This powerful tool gives you complete control over the final batting order while maintaining statistical awareness. Make strategic adjustments based on current performance trends and situational factors. Move players experiencing hot streaks higher in the batting order to capitalize on their momentum, or drop players who have been struggling to more suitable positions where they can contribute effectively. Set defensive positions using the intuitive controls on the right side of the interface. You can simultaneously build your batting order and defensive alignment, ensuring both offensive and defensive strategy work together effectively. Use the lineup controls to import any of the 4 optimized approaches as your starting point, then modify as needed based on your coaching insights and current game situation. This flexibility combines statistical optimization with coaching experience. Add or remove players using the increase and decrease buttons if your available roster changes, or if you decide to use additional substitutes during the game. The system automatically recalculates projections based on roster changes. Export your finalized lineup to PDF when you're satisfied with both batting order and defensive positioning. This creates a clean, professional lineup card with relevant player statistics that you can take directly to the dugout. Share this lineup card with your GameChanger operator for accurate game tracking. Provide it to the opposing coach as required by league rules, or post it in the dugout for players to reference throughout the game. AI insights and practice drills. Every major section, offense, defense, and pitching, includes AI-powered insights marked with green hot buttons. These provide customized recommendations based entirely on your team's actual performance data, rather than generic suggestions. These insights analyze your specific team's statistical performance to identify patterns, strengths, and improvement opportunities that might not be immediately obvious from casual observation. Click any hot button to access 3 specialized tools: AI insights for strategic observations about team performance, practice drills for specific skill development exercises, and focus areas for systematic long-term improvement planning. Generate AI insights to receive 3 key observations about your team's performance. Examples include defensive strengths and top performers, or comprehensive team analysis. These insights are generated by analyzing your team's performance data and identifying the most significant patterns and opportunities for improvement based on statistical analysis. All insights are automatically saved to your database for future reference and trend analysis, eliminating the need to regenerate the same analysis repeatedly and allowing you to track how insights change over time as your team develops. Access practice drills to get specific exercises targeting your team's statistical weaknesses identified through data analysis. Each drill includes detailed setup instructions, execution guidelines, and expected outcomes based on your specific performance data. The same comprehensive process applies to offense and pitching sections. Each provides position-specific insights and drills tailored to your team's actual game performance in those specific areas, ensuring relevant and targeted development recommendations. Focus areas for improvement. Focus areas provide structured improvement plans with specific goals and realistic timelines based on your team's actual performance data. These recommendations are based entirely on your team's statistical performance patterns, not generic coaching advice. A typical focus area might be error reduction and fundamental skills training, with specific target goals, measurable improvement metrics, and a realistic 6-week improvement timeline based on typical development patterns. Each focus area includes detailed explanation of why this area was identified as important for your team, specific techniques for addressing the issue, and measurable goals that allow you to track progress over time. Understand that meaningful improvement requires consistent effort over time rather than expecting immediate results. Plan to incorporate these focus areas into your regular practice routine rather than treating them as one-time exercises or quick fixes. This systematic approach saves significant practice planning time while ensuring your coaching efforts target the areas with the greatest potential impact on overall team performance and player development. Player Analytics Overview. Navigate to Player Analytics for comprehensive individual player assessment. This section provides detailed batting analysis, pitching analysis, and fielding analysis on a per-player basis, giving you the tools for personalized player development. Select any player from the drop-down menu displaying all players on your roster, then choose your analysis type based on what aspect of their performance you want to evaluate most thoroughly. Click the Hot button and select Generate Analysis for the chosen category. The analysis process takes a few moments to complete as it processes all available data for that player. Each analysis includes comprehensive statistical performance breakdown showing how the player performs in various game situations, identification of key strengths that can be built upon for continued development, and specific improvement areas with measurable targets. The analysis also provides recommended drills and training exercises specifically tailored to that player's individual needs based on their performance data rather than generic training recommendations. Click Show More to view the complete analysis, including position-specific fitness routines designed for that player's role and measurable goals with realistic timelines for individual development progress. Off-season training plans. Individual player analyses provide the comprehensive foundation for developing effective off-season training programs. Each analysis includes specific training recommendations that players can follow independently during the break between seasons. These customized plans address skill-specific drills targeted to each player's identified needs, conditioning recommendations appropriate for their position and role, and measurable goals that bridge the gap between seasons effectively. Use these comprehensive analyses for season-ending exit interviews and parent meetings. Show exactly how each player performed throughout the season, highlight specific areas where they improved, and provide concrete development plans for continued growth. Comprehensive team analysis. Access the most complete strategic overview available through Team AI Insights. Navigate to Teams. Click the green Analytics button to access the Team Development Hub. Navigate to the Development section to access the Team Development Hub, which represents the most advanced planning tools available. Click on Generate Plans. This comprehensive report includes offensive strategy recommendations based on your team's hitting patterns, defensive alignment strategies optimized for your players' abilities, pitching staff evaluation with usage recommendations, and player development priorities ranked by potential impact on team success. TeamView generates comprehensive development plans that include overall offensive philosophy recommendations, lineup construction strategies based on your players' abilities, defensive alignment approaches optimized for your team, and pitching staff management guidelines. Individual plans create customized development roadmaps for each player based on their statistical performance throughout the season. These show individual strengths to build upon, specific development areas requiring attention, practice recommendations tailored to their needs, and realistic timelines for expected improvement. Export all reports to PDF for efficient documentation and easy sharing with coaching staff and families. Print comprehensive team strategies for coaching staff meetings or individual player reports for families without spending hours creating documents manually. These advanced analytics features are available with your premium subscription and integrate seamlessly with the free draft board tools covered in Part 1, creating a complete team management system. With ScoutBall AI, you're utilizing a complete AI-powered command center built for youth baseball and softball. From building teams to tracking player growth and leveraging real-time analytics, every feature is designed to save you time. Time to focus on what truly matters: mentoring young athletes, building confidence, and creating unforgettable seasons. Let the technology handle the details so you can lead with purpose and make a lasting impact. For questions about any features covered in this guide, use the feedback button located on your dashboard or email us directly at info@scoutballai.com for personalized assistance. ScoutBall AI, rise above the competition.